With the help of AI, you can be anything you want, anywhere you want. Well, maybe not really, but we're going to show you in a minute. Welcome to the Daily AI Experiment. This is number 20. Hey, Lori, we made it to 20.
Woohoo! Very intriguing little setup there. I'm very curious what you have in store for us today.
Hopefully it'll be exciting. People will learn a lot, and maybe it's just fun, but it's really fun. So I'm really excited to share it. I'm Dan Wagner, and we're going to do an experiment today using Meta's AI tool, which ultimately is Llama, by the way. Llama is the name of their tool, but we're going to jump in and we're going to do play with Meta's AI, Llama, within their tools. And this tool is available in Facebook Messenger and also in the WhatsApp Messenger. So either of those, and we're going to go through a whole process, and we're going to do some cool things. Yes, Lori, you had a question.
I do have a question. I have been hesitant with sharing data and interacting with Meta. I don't know why.
Okay.
I couldn't tell you why.
Yeah.
So I'm really curious to see it because I really have done very little there, and maybe it stems from Instagram. I feel like it's listening to me.
Oh, yeah. And I think maybe Instagram also has Meta. I don't use Instagram enough to know, but that might have the Meta AI in it too, does it?
It does.
Oh, so you could use it in Instagram as well. So I think all their messaging platforms, what have you, will have this capability. So it doesn't matter which one you're in. It's probably very similar. Let's get into it. I'm going to share my screen here, and let's go.
Let's go.
Here we are. You can see my messenger here, and at the top it just says Ask Meta AI or Search. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm just going to say hi. Oops. And send it. And so I said hi, and Meta responds, how can I assist you today? So what I'm going to do is up at the upper right-hand corner, I hope you can see my clicks, is the there's up at the top next to to the left of the eye circle. There's 3 little circles and a star there. And I'm going to click on that.
Yeah.
And that is not doing what I thought it was going to do. I'm sorry. So I clicked the I button there, sorry. And down here you see Imagine Yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to go ahead and say retake my photo, but if you've never done it before, it's going to say take your photo. And so I'm going to say retake my photo, and it says get ready. And there's me, and you can see me talking, and it asks me to go ahead and take a photo. So I just need to center my face here, hopefully smile. Now it says turn slightly right. I always turn left, but this time I'm paying attention. Take a photo. Oh gosh, I gotta fix my hair. I probably screwed it up by doing that. Okay, and now it says if I wanted to, I could add more photos. They recommend you add a few more photos of yourself, but I'm going to go ahead and skip that. And it says we're uploading your photos. And this should only take a second. It says okay. And now I'm going to go back to the chat here. And I'm going to say, what should I say? How about, I'm just going to imagine me as a skydiver.
Okay, this is so interesting, Dan, because there was a time in ChatGPT when you could upload a picture of yourself and it would work with it to create things. And I think it wouldn't actually use your image in anything. Cool.
So there's me as imagine me as a brain surgeon.
Yeah. How about in like Game of Thrones or something?
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, there I am. Imagine me as a new character in Game of Thrones.
Yeah, there you go. Even better.
I got a
So
little
this to
cord.
me, also raises, I think people will see this and go, holy cow, deep fake, right? Like,
There I am.
oh yeah.
Yeah. Anyhow, so
So
I thought
what
that was really
happened?
interesting. What's that?
It's super cool.
Okay, let me try one more thing. So I haven't done this in a while. I
Yeah.
played with it a couple months ago, and it has changed. I'm going to try something with a little more people. There's a funny little weird thing that happens. So let's see if it happens. Imagine me in a crowd of pirates. We're gonna see.
I'm also then curious what happens if you try to download the image. Cool.
So I can download at the top there. I don't know if you see the little download
Yeah, I
icon.
do. Does it say anything like created by Gen AI, or does it have any watermarks with it or anything?
It does say Meta AI at the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, one more. I'm going to try one more time here. Hold on. Imagine me with 3 of my pirate friends.
Great. And then what'll be fun to do is try editing a photo that you've made and see what that interface looks like. Is that okay?
Sure, I didn't even know I could do that.
I'll show you where that button was. See, this is what happens when you get 2 heads together.
Okay, here we go. It says,
Okay.
I'm still learning how to create images of you with others. If this isn't right, ask me to create an image that includes you only.
So let's see where it said edit with AI. What happens if you click edit with AI? Because what if we want that background person to be a woman?
Okay, let's try it. What do I
click the 3 dots in the upper right? Oh, you give it a rating on the results.
Hold on a second. What happened here? So it's, oh my gosh,
it's moving.
That's pretty cool. Except I look piratey.
Piratey. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna hit save here. I don't know what that's gonna do. Whoa, little buggy here. Cancel. So when I said edit with AI, what does this even mean? I can't do anything.
That's interesting. And so that's where I thought it would be similar to ChatGPT, like where you could go in and erase like the pirate in the back and say, make that pirate a woman. Or maybe you don't like the lamp in the background, or maybe you want, more beer mugs or something like that.
Okay, yeah. Saved. But I don't see any ability to do it. You would think I'd be able to do something.
What happens if you click just anywhere on the photo?
That's what I was trying.
Nothing.
It's
all right.
not doing nothing.
All right, there we go.
Anyhow,
we got it.
So now we know.
That was fun.
I wonder what if I type something here and say edit, make other pirate a woman. I don't know. Whoops. I can't generate this image. Okay, anyhow. So that's kind of interesting. I thought I'd try. I played with something else here. Let's go back here. And let's go to, I created this task tracker. Okay. And because I noticed there's these, you can create these basically little AI people. And task tracker, let's see if we can see what the task tracker is about. So basically, I created a tool that helps with tasks, if that makes sense. So help organize and stuff. So I'm trying to figure out how to organize my podcast. Give me a bunch of suggestions. Okay, that's kind of longer. Anyhow, so kind of like a GPT, custom GPT. I thought it was interesting. There's a lot of, I noticed in the list of agents or whatever they call it, AIs, there's a lot of girlfriends. You can have a virtual girlfriend. And yeah, I thought that was funny.
How did you get here again? Through Instagram?
So I did this through Facebook Messenger. So here we go. Boss lady, honest helper, sweetheart Samantha, your obsessed ex-girlfriend. That's awesome. Are you awkward? Jim Goss, Jim Lover. So all these different ones. The truth teller. Nice. Jessica loves Roy. Sister.
It's terrible, but a part of me is really frightened by this.
It's so scary, but you know, consider the audience, right? You know, a lot of anyhow.
Sometimes I think it's really fascinating, and I definitely want to try it. But part of me feels like some of those use cases are what scares people about AI. Right. But I do love the ability to put yourself in those different situations and create those images.
Yeah, I love that. So, yeah, I thought it was very, you know, it's very consumer oriented. You know, it's like, oh, let's just have fun with AI, right? I mean, it's not going to, you know, it probably won't help you move your business forward or, you know, maybe in little ways, but fun. It's all about fun. So, and, you know, that's the Facebook and Instagram. You know, Instagram and Facebook both have a business application, but they're definitely leveraging the fun aspect of AI. So,
and I haven't found another tool right now where you can do that with your with your personal image, and it's let you. And so I'd be curious too. I'm going to play around. What happens if I try to upload an image of someone else?
Yeah,
if it gives me any content restrictions or how that goes.
Right, and it's free, so that's really nice. There are obviously paid. Free's the best. So there are a lot of tools out there that will help you create. You know, I know that you've used them before, where you can put your image and get a nice, attractive photo and stuff. But this one's much more for fun, you know. Anyhow, so one of the weird things that I mentioned that happened is I had I said, you know, put me in a picture, and there's, you know, a bunch of people are talking to me. Well, whether they're men or women, they kind of look like me. So
that's hilarious. You are your minions.
Yeah. So yeah, they're like clones, you know, like, you know. Anyhow, it's very funny. Anyhow, so I thought that'd be fun to do today. And
it is.
Yeah. So I hope everyone goes out and has a little fun, because, you know, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, I believe, or Jill. Anyhow.
I couldn't agree more with that statement.
Well, very good. Speaking of fun, tomorrow, we're going to be meeting tomorrow?
I have to look at my calendar. We'll connect off. I have to look at my calendar. We'll connect offline.
Okay. You know, it's the highlight of my week, going out and showing up at some fun place. Well, cool. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed it. I'm going to make my invitation again. Please like and subscribe. We're shooting for 50, which is kind of a hallmark in the whole YouTube subscribers number. So 50 would be great. Help us get there. You know, if everyone who watches this subscribes, we'd be in like Flint. So anyhow, that's what I'm going to recommend. Please feel free to like. If you have ideas or suggestions, go ahead and put them in the comments, and we'll see you soon, hopefully tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Bye, Lori.
Bye.